Hello everybody, it's Dan here with Feldmann Imports Mercedes-Benz, and we are back with another vehicle walk-around tour. Today we're going to be highlighting the 2023 Mercedes-Benz AMG C43. This comes in a gray exterior, and we've got this really sharp saddle brown leather interior. Show you that in just a sec. So today's video is just going to highlight some of the interior and exterior features of the vehicle. We won't go super in-depth, just kind of a nice overview. If you're curious about the vehicle, you want to learn more, you have any questions, or you want to set up a test drive, we'd love to chat with you. You can always reach us at our website, feldmanimports.com. So just showing off some of the unique AMG badging. Got blind spot assist here. This is just a two-door vehicle here. Got AMG styled wheels as well. And let's go ahead and take a look inside. So yeah, you can see this saddle brown leather interior. It's a nice black and silver accents as well. Definitely super sharp. We've got the flat bottom AMG steering wheel, which I'm definitely a big fan of that. And we have heated and ventilated power memory seats for both driver and passenger. You've got your premium Burmester upgraded speaker system. Door and window controls. You get your trunk button there as well. And let's go ahead and hop inside. All right, mileage currently at 12,957. Once again, that nice AMG flat bottom steering wheel. Got a push button ignition. And let's talk a little bit about the steering wheel here. So starting on the right side, we've got our volume controls. You've got some buttons here for Bluetooth and cell phone functionality. And then above that, you've got your home button, touchpad, and then back button. And this controls your display here. So I just hit home there, and now using the touchpad to select my options. And let's take a look at our radio here. Go ahead and flip into our backup camera as well. And then while we're on this side, we've got paddle shifters, and then our Mercedes-Benz shifter. So flip up for reverse, which then activates your backup camera. Flip down for park, and then push it. Sorry, flip down for drive, and then push in for park. There we go. That's better. All right. On our left side here, we've got cruise control options here, and then a very similar interface. And this all controls our driver display. So I just hit the home button there, and then now flipping through the different options. AMG is probably one of my favorites since it is an AMG vehicle, but navigation is also super helpful just to kind of keep your eyes a little closer to the road. Same with radio, you can flip through your different stations here. Another paddle shifter, and then you've got your wiper and a turn signal lever there as well. Okie doke. So below our display, we've got our climate control buttons here, physical buttons here to change the temperature, the direction of the airflow and whatnot. You've also got a menu here, you can flip that, and that'll pull up this overview, which will just kind of show you kind of what you're working with currently for, you can see the heat coming out. Looks like we got vents closed over on the other side. Below your climate controls, we've got some quick access buttons here, as well as the analog clock, which is definitely a very nice classy feature. Definitely a big fan of that. Yeah, quickly access, navigation, your radio, media, which would be like a cell phone connected via Bluetooth. Again, more telephone options here, and then your vehicle settings. There's just a ton we can cover within vehicle settings. That we won't cover here today, but that's definitely something we'd love to walk you through in person sometime. Below that, we've got our cup holders, little power adapter here, and then your center console, which has another way to control your display. You've got this touchpad here. You've also got the dial method here, and then push down to select, or push down to select. Back buttons, home button, back, home, and so on. You've also got your dynamic select switch here. As you can see, as I just flip that, it actually changed the suspension setting there. So I'm just flipping through between individual, which is fully customizable however you would like the vehicle. You get your slippery setting here, comfort, sport, and sport plus. Alright, you also notice ambient LED lighting in the vehicle here. That's all fully customizable within that menu system as well. And last but not least, we've got our sunroof controls. A little tricky to see here, but you just flip it this way to open, flip it down to close, and so on. All right, so once again, it's a two-door vehicle here, so you don't have your rear doors, but you still have rear seats, which you can access pretty easily. You just flip that lever there, and you'll see that driver's seat will move forward to make it easy for your passengers to get to the rear. And nice saddle brown leather back here as well. Give you one more quick peek at our sunroof. And then when you push the seat back, then it'll automatically return to whatever that power memory setting was that you had it at. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and flip our lever here to open up our trunk. And plenty of storage room back here as well. And just push button to close. And then when that closes, you can see more AMG badging, the Mercedes logo, as well as the C43 badging. And that, folks, was a quick overview of our 2023 Mercedes-Benz AMG C43. If you're interested in learning more or even setting up that test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.